Hi there, I'm Brian with All Guard Windows and Doors, and today we're in our showroom going over the Andersen E-Series or Eagle Series, which is a heavy-duty extruded aluminum clad real wood window. A couple key features here right off the bat is going to be the heavy-duty extruded aluminum cladding on the exterior. Compared to a rolled form aluminum window, which is some of our competitors are going to utilize, it's going to be a lot more durable, thick, and just a lot more, it's just going to pack a punch. It's going to last a lot longer, better for hail resistance, etc. Coming in here, Andersen's going to offer with this E-Series 50 aluminum clad colors, which is unheard of in the industry. They also are going to have custom color options as well, so we can definitely hone in on what other color you guys need. We can definitely find a match for you guys. Coming on the interior, a couple features on the side. This is going to be a 4 9/16 jamb. That just means for a 2x4 wall house. We also can go to a 6 9/16, further, shorter, anywhere in between. So again, that we can customize this so that when we do install, the jamb comes in and lines up right with the drywall. So when we're done, and I'll show you in the video, when we put our casing up, everything's kind of complete. Couple features in here, like I said, this is going to be a real wood interior. This is going to be on pine. That's going to be the standard. They also offer other wood species as well, white oak, red oak, maple, mahogany, with stain options from the factory, as well as some custom stain options available. Our competitors are going to be utilizing a fiberglass option that's going to have a veneer finish, which is very easy to scratch, it's cheap, and not only that, it just doesn't have the same real feel as wood. Wood has a soul, wood feels it, and you can actually feel it in this window when you look at a fiberglass window, for example, that has that veneer finish with a gel stain to make it look like wood. It's just not the same thing, and there's no comparison. So that's why we only carry real wood options for those clients that are looking for that organic taste, let's say. A couple options here on hardware and pull. They're gonna have a couple different finishes that we can choose from. This is a single hung operation, so I'm just gonna open up and down. Great feature here is going to be the tilt out option for easy cleaning. From here, opens up. We can get down, easy cleaning on the non-operation panel as well. There we go. Closing that up. A couple other features here, if we want to zoom in, is going to be the jamb liner. So this jamb liner is going to be recessed and ride right in line with the wood, so that when you look over at the window, you're not seeing that protruding out. Here, this is the Andersen E-Series window, guys. Any further question, please direct to your sales consultant. Thank you.